just across the bridge. Legit. Come on. Come on, please. Okay. Oh, I have to. Oh, okay. Did you take a picture? Okay. Thank you. Bye bye. Let's look. Shaoxing. It looks like there's no road. Right? Do you see any roads? Hi! Thank you. Bye bye. Yeah, it looks like there's no road here for humans. I just have all the way over there and that's it.
You need take a right to cross this bridge because the bridge is too dangerous this time. Be careful.
Thank you. It's like under construction or something. We can't go to Inca Historic Ceramic Place. It'll be too late if we go detour, take a detour. It looks like there's another road here. But there's no bridge. So that's not for a human road? It's like under construction or something? I think I probably have to go around.
Yeah, you can go there for, just like I said, the second bridge is about 2 kilometers.
Yeah.
But the ceramic place is closed by now.
I know.
Or you want to take up the option, I'll drive behind you.
No, I don't think you can like drive slow here or anything. So it's okay. It's okay. Thank you. Thank you.
Really?
Yeah, it's okay. It's okay.
Okay.
Thank you. Bye bye. I guess we're gonna take the tour. I can't believe that there's no fucking road here. It's like 5-kilometer detour. Fuck. Yeah, it was very nice offer, but all of them were not really possible. Like, I cannot get on the ride because that ruins the whole point. And then you cannot drive like slow behind me because that's illegal. I think it's this way. Yeah, I think we have to go to that bridge over there. That's what he was talking about. Oh. It's too far. There's no other options. Unfortunately, I want to just take that bridge as much as you guys, but there's nothing I can do.
It's time to stop baiting us. You know you can run like the wind with those tree trunks for legs. Run, Jimbo, run.
Run! Run, Jimbo, run! 에라이 씨발 개 같네. 아. That was not in the plan. 10+ kilometer because you have to go back. I have to go back. Where's the one that I already opened? it's not just okay. It's not just going there. It's detour. It's detour 10 kilometer because of because we cannot cross that bridge. Because if you look at the map, we're going all the way over there for the second bridge and we gotta come back. Because there's no other way. You sure we cannot cross that bridge? Like on the side? I don't think the bridge is that long. It's like very short bridge. I mean, we've crossed a lot of like... No? I can? Pass through bridge. I don't think there's a passing through the bridge.
If you insist cross the bridge, I will call the police.
Is there any passage underneath? Like tunnel or something? Pogo. No tunnel underneath? It's legal to cross, but it's just dangerous? Yeah? Everyone is saying different stuff. Swim. I already have hotel. Go through. Oh. It's really hot. I'm not crying. It's really hot. It's humid. You can go under. Some people are saying I can go under. I can go under? Under? There's a way under?
Ask the firehouse people.
There is a river. How the fuck am I across the river? Shut the fuck up, Teddy! Stop giving me false information, dumb ass!
walking one bridge. I
Huh?
cover you.
Huh?
Okay? You follow me. You
I don't
follow
think that's
me.
legal. Over
This
there?
way, over there. Don't take my car.
Huh? I don't think that's possible. No, it's another guy. Over 300 feet. 샹산 감동.
Walking this way.
Walking this way. You mean the bridge?
Yes, yes.
I don't think
You follow me at my car. And just don't take now. Okay? You walk here.
I don't think. Oh, you mean the bike? Oh, he wants me to follow the bike. It's okay. I don't think that's possible. because it's illegal. Illegal, right? It's okay. 谢谢. It's okay. Okay. Thank you. Thank you. Bike is okay? Wait, Chad is saying bike is okay. Bike? Following the bike is okay? Says who?
How can I cross the river? Bring one arm out of the water so that it's reaching forward. Then bring it back down and use your cupped hand to push the water
I don't think
behind
it's
you.
possible. Thank you for 1,000 Bitcoins, 51. Thank
Agree,
you so
ask
much.
firefighters best plan. Maybe they can escort you.
It's okay, they can escort me. Thank you.
Hey, Goblin. Ask your troll cousins on how to cross the bridge, dink donk.
Thank you. Bye bye. Thank you. Thank you.
Are you still playing? Pokemon Go?
What is that?
I added you.
What is that?
Pokemon Go.
Pokemon Go. Oh, I don't play anymore. Okay. Okay, thank you. Bye bye. You added me on Pokemon Go. It's funny. So if it's legal to cross, but it's just dangerous, what if I wait until really late night and there's no car and I cross? Thank you for one sub. Thank you so much. You know? How long is the bridge? It's like 1-2 kilometers? $700 It's only 700 kilometers. Very tempting. Not 700 kilometers, 700 meter. 700-kilometer bridge. 관사조끼도 있는데 $700
Let's
meter.
fucking go!
700 meter. okay actually. It's not that bad. I don't think the bridge is that far actually. You can cross. It's quite bright on the bridge.